Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in the air tonight on the keyboard. We will begin by identifying the fundamental chords that form the backbone of this iconic song. You will learn the root position for each chord, which is crucial for building a solid foundation. Focus on practicing smooth transitions between these chords to ensure a seamless flow as you progress. This initial step is key to mastering the piece. Next, let's focus on the left hand's role, which primarily handles the bass line. This part is quite straightforward, often involving single bass notes that provide a strong rhythmic foundation. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing as it drives the song's distinctive feel. Practice coordinating your left hand with the chords you'll be playing with your right hand, ensuring they work together harmoniously. This creates the song's powerful groove. Now, we move to the right hand, which plays the memorable arpeggiated patterns. These broken chords are central to the song's atmosphere. Take time to explore the specific fingerings for each arpeggio, as efficient fingering makes a big difference. Aim to maintain a consistent tempo and dynamic level throughout these sections. The subtle variations in volume and speed will add depth to your performance, capturing the song's unique mood. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start by combining the parts very slowly, ensuring accuracy before increasing your speed. A metronome is an invaluable tool here. It will help you develop precise timing and consistent rhythm. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused practice sessions. Regular, deliberate practice is the most effective way to master this piece and enjoy playing in the air tonight on your keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.